Hey everyone, it's Miss Allison. I hope you're having a fantastic day and welcome back. Welcome to the 2021 semester, at least first semester of that school year. This is amazing. Guys, it is great to have you here. I am so excited to see you in class and learn about what happened over your break and how you're doing. And just super excited for the second semester of 8th grade year we have coming up. I hope you guys had a great winter break. I know it was definitely different for a lot of us, but still hopefully got that time to rest like we talked about, connect and kind of do the things that are important to you. So I hope that was true for you. I know for me, it was nice to be able to just have some downtime, time away from the screen, and just get caught up on some things that I enjoy doing. I did a lot of cooking and reading, and it was just nice to do that. So we're going to take a look here at what you need to be looking at on your Schoology page just to kind of get an idea of what's coming up. What are we doing in our schedule? Now, we know that this is a little bit different this week. No school on Monday. I hope you had a great day off. Tuesday, we did our assembly, so now we're going into Wednesday and Thursday. Typically, our schedule is going to look different, but this is what we're doing this week. So let's take a look here at your Schoology update. So first, go ahead and take a look at this information. There's a letter here about what we'll be doing after our unit in January. Right now, we're working on informational writing, but we're going to be doing a novel in February, and I want you to have that information now if you need that, okay? Hopefully, you're watching this video. Then you're going to click here for your reading groups. So we are going to be, or not reading groups, just our groups. I called them reading groups because that's what we did in Seed Folks. These groups are similar to what we did in Seed Folks. However, some names have moved and changed. If your name moved, it's nothing personal. It just was numbers wise. We needed things to look a little bit different. So please make sure you know what group you are in and when. Remember that we have our red group that's going to meet Monday, Wednesday, yellow group Monday, Wednesday, and then blue group is going to be Tuesday, Thursday, and so is purple. So look for your name. If you do not see your name, you need to be emailing me right now as I'm speaking because I need to put you in a group. So please make sure that's true of you. Okay? Awesome. And you can see here, this is our chart. So our first group that's going to be meeting either Monday or Wednesday or both if we have a full week, which we will next week. It's going to be 8:30 to 9, that's red. And then 9:05 to 9:40, that's going to be yellow. Down here we have our blue group, so this is Tuesday, Thursday. You're going to be 8:30 to 9, and then 9:05 to 9:40. That's going to be our purple group. And remember, Fridays we'll do help desk or asynchronous time, okay? So please make sure you're looking at this schedule that you are on time. Remember, on Teams, we'll be going to your colored channel. So you can see here, this is where we'll be meeting. If we're meeting in the general, I'll tell you that as well, but otherwise plan on going here when it's time for your group, okay? Awesome. Remember, like we talked about before, guys, if you miss a group, you cannot join another one. Just like we would at school, our classes might be in different spots. We'll be learning the same thing, but we might be going about it a little bit differently or, ahead or behind, just depending on what we're doing. So please make sure that you're at your group. You can't just jump into one. You're in that group for a reason, so we want you there, okay? Awesome. And then down here we have our asynchronous work. So just a reminder, I know yesterday when I was looking at Schoology, I was like, wait, what? What is Schoology? So let's remind ourselves. Our new Schoology looks like this. You should be able to find it. We have English up here. And then you're going to go to that Materials tab. You'll notice under Materials, we have our quick navigation, some things that you can click on here if you need it. And then right here, we have our January 5th through 8th, so that's this week. And we're going to click here for our work for Wednesday and Thursday. And you will be able to see just your assignment. I can see everybody's, but you'll be able to see your group and your assignment and get to your work from there. Remember that the goal is when you're not in synchronous session, you're working on that asynchronous work outside and around that in our English class time. So please make sure that you're looking at that, getting that accomplished. Remember, here on our updates page, you will be able to see what's going on every day. I will make sure to update this every single day by 8 o'clock for you so you can see what we're doing. Okay? Awesome, guys. I am so excited to see you. Happy second semester, and thanks for all you're doing.